Hello, welcome to the channel viewers. Tenerife Tez in Fanabe. I want to take a walk at one of the alleyways, calles, whatever, and take you guys with me. Come on, let's take a walk. Okay, so the beach is down there, Burger King on the corner. Little bit of activity happening around the Burger King, but we'll not film that. We're going to have a walk up here. Nice steady walk, I think. So what we got here? Wine bar, number 55. One or two prices there. But we'll keep on going. A special restaurant. Oh yeah? Yeah, so what do you think of that? I think that's good value for money. $9.95, so what's not to like? Thank you. Oh, specials as well. So a quick look at those. Yeah. So, yeah, thank you. So there we go. We'll have a quick look at that. Oh, yeah. Some right food on there. Look at that. Fantastic. Give it a go, try it out. Thank you. There you go then, folk. You've seen it first. Continuing on. Capri restaurant. I think we filmed that on the other side. Some of these go right through. Sports bar over there, look you. Football's playing. No, thank you. The more restaurants. Oh, game room there. I suppose amusement arcade, we would say. And elf places. Oh, you can actually rent scooters. Don't know about the three-wheeled ones. Would you rent a three-wheeled one, or would you want a four-wheel? Three wheels might go around corners in tight spaces. Are they stable? I don't know. Four wheels sounds a little bit better to me. Lily's tea room there. I believe they come from Mansfield, unless it's changed hands, I don't know. But anyway, up we go. And oh, back up to the Stella restaurant. So, panting a little bit, folk. Okay, we'll go over to the crossing, we'll play it safe. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. Wait till the motorbike has gone past. Right, over we go. He's waiting for me and I'm waiting for him. Yeah, so it's Stella there, look at Steakhouse. Let's go to this side. So I've got a bank there. Nobody in the oh, one person in Stella. Maybe that'll open up a little bit later on, or you should have said get busier later on. We'll just have a walk up here. Right aside of the hotel. There's a reason why we're walking up here, because I'm going to show you the pasty place, if it's open. We'll have a look. You never know. Okay, further up the hill, and this is Fanabe Plaza. So, Bazaar Hong Kong, Pink Lady, and the Pantry place. So there you have it. Now, this place does those pasties and stuff like, if I remember right. In actual fact, we'll get a quick view of the, that's the name of the place, the menu. Have I got it on? Yeah. Yeah, so there you go. You can actually freeze, pause it and whatever. One or two more shops down there, but we're not going to go there. We'll just have a walk back over here. And to go around the front of the plaza. See what else is around there. I think there's one or two bars and such like around here, but we'll check it out. Yeah, one or two places here as well. What's this? Bingo. Grupo Canario. So a little bit of a bar there, look here. Tapas served as well. Nice. So is that just for the nails or what's that for? Possibly. Oh, three of them next door to each other. So I suppose they're going to be in competition with each other, so they'll be able to add on price maybe. Another curry house. And what else we got? Oh, I don't know if that place is open. Maybe, maybe not. Change, best exchange rate. Doesn't say how much. Ah, it's closed. Maybe that's an idea. If it had been open, maybe it would have been outside. And more shops. So, what do you reckon then, folk? Do you stay in this area? What we've got over here as well. Over here we've got, is it the best jacaranda? Is it simply the best or not? And that's that. Best jacaranda. Make that out. And one of the feeder roads to motorway. Okay then viewers, Tenerife Tez. I'll thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.